Here's my big red mini fridge. Looks like a can. But as you open it up right here, look at that. It's a mini fridge. You can put cans in there, or when you take that out, you can put 2 liters in there in little 1-ounce cans. See? As you can tell, look at that. Look at there. Or you can put one of those in there. But as you can tell, it's not been running lately, so see, don't know why I don't want. You can put it there for the cans, or put it here. Look at that. Look at that can. That's the power supplies area. But there's something wrong with the switch, so that's why it's not working right. So remember, like, comment, and subscribe, and check out the other videos I have. Thank you.